Mr. Box.
This one came up on eBay the same time I saw Red Alert, but I had to wait a little bit longer because I wanted to make sure I had enough money left. But I didn't wait long enough to make sure I had enough money left. I just bought it when I got home from Adams. This is something that I've wanted for ages and has never come up at less than like 100 quid. It was just there and I was so happy to see it. Superlink Skyfire, oh, it's just fallen in the box, hasn't it? Plonked himself, hasn't he? Superlink Skyfire Sonic, Superlink Jetfire or Energon Jetfire, but the Superlink, what is it? The second colour. Let's open him up. Charlie, man, you've got all the room there. He's got all the room. Ah, this Red Alert. He's got a whole sofa to sit on, and he decides that he's going to sit right next to me. That must mean he loves me.
But we are meant to think they did.
And there's his normal gun. A sniff of the cardboard, is it, lad? A sniff of the old cardboard. Skyfire Sonic in his cool space shuttle with a man attached to it mode. This whole top section can spin round as well. And you can have discos. Huge big Superlink Energon times. And I love it. Back in the day. Was the Great Fox in Star Fox or did it only come about in Lilac Wars?
Cocky little freak!
It looks like the Great Fox. All of his nozzles are adjustable in case you want him to go at very specific angles in your games. But don't lick me. You're meant to be washing yourself, man. Everybody likes a friend. These were basically quad changes because of the torso and the leg modes in the combined mode. They had 4 modes, which was mental. If that was the case now, you'd still have just as compromised the robot. It just wouldn't be as heavy. He's got a grabby thing on his chest, which I always loved. Pipes could be walking along, bump straight into Jetfire, and he'd go, I've got you with me claw. Nothing worked. Nothing worked. I know what we can use. Let's use the vampire for Monster in My Pocket. He could be going about his daily blood drinking business. How about a chest bump, Drac? And he'd say, yeah! Bang! Then Jetfire can consume him. And he can live a new life of pain and suffering as he is slowly digested over 1,000 years. That's what happens there. It is all about the colours. He's like a racing car person. Were the midterms hard? Yeah, cheers. See you soon for...
You'd have been killed